This is Whisper Speak. Let me show you around and you will get it pretty quickly. This is a home page and it contains a little graph showing how much time you save for yourself by choosing to speak instead of type. This is your history. Everything you have ever spoken is saved over here. So if you said something and forgot to copy it, it's right here waiting for you. This is a style setting. You can switch between casual, very casual, and formal because the way you speak to a friend and the way you write to a client are two completely different things, and Whisper Speak understands that. You can choose to remove the filler words, all the ums, you know, or you can also keep them in the conversation calls for it. Smart spacing takes care of itself, and the fixed common word setting handles the way we all naturally speak. Gonna, wanna, kinda, it quickly cleans it up. In a setting, you can set your own keyboard shortcut or go completely hands free with a voice shortcut. And here you can see your microphone level, so you always know it's working. You can pick your languages or just leave it to auto detect and it figures out what you're speaking on its own. So this is your privacy setting. Your voice stays on your device, it doesn't go anywhere. No cloud, no server, no data leaving your machine. That was a decision we made from day one and we are not changing it. There's also a feedback page inside the tab. If something isn't working the way you expected, tell us. If there's something you wish the app could do, tell us that too. And here's a help page. You write to us, we get back to you within 24 hours. Now let me show you around how it actually works in apps you already use every day. You hold the shortcut, you speak, you let go. That's it. It works anywhere you can speak. So first let's start with the ChatGPT. Write me a 3-line cold email with a subject line for a productivity tool. Make it curiosity driven. See, that's all. Let's go to Claude. Here's what happened in today's meeting. We discussed the new pricing strategy, agreed to launch in April, and assigned tasks to design and dev them. Yeah, so this is Claude. It works. Gmail, it works. For example, I, Sarah, following up on our call from earlier, let me know if you need anything before Thursday. Happy to jump on a quick call. Thank you, Chandana. It works in Slack too. A team just wrapped up the feature pushing to staging now. I'll share the link once it's live. Google Docs? Yes, it works there too. The onboarding flow needs to be simplified. Users are dropping off at step 3 because there are too many required fields. The proposed fix reduces mandatory input to just name and email. WhatsApp? It works there too. Running 10 minutes late? I'll be there soon. And your note app, ideas for next week, follow up with design team, review onboarding, follow feedback, and prepare for the demo video for product launch. See, you can type at the speed of you talking.